Hello everyone, it's Richie here. Today on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I caught some nice good entry here on gold. So right here on my chart, you see that we did caught today buy on NFP smash TP. So you're probably wondering how I was able to catch this buy. So one thing I would like you guys to learn from this video is that the market is always telling you guys either it's going to buy or it's going to sell. How do you know that? Trend and market structure. These two things I just make sure is a killer to the market. Moving on to 4 hours time frame, you notice that we have gold has been going bullish for a very long time now. It has been going pretty well on buys, been going bullish since beginning of this year. So moving on to 30 minutes time frame is where you want to look at for your entry. I believe you guys know what supply and demand is. If you don't know what supply and demand is, kind of watch my previous videos I talk about supply and demand. So this is a demand level that I caught buy here from. But there's one more thing I also like to tell you guys about gold. Gold is very common of creating a rocket candle. You notice that we have this guy here, right? This is a rocket candle that's been pushing price to the upside. Whenever you see a rocket candle like this, it's a buy. So having this rocket candle set, that already gave us a confirmation that it's going to buy. Now moving on to the lower time frame, 30 minutes. I had my demand entry here, which you guys can see right here. This is a demand entry right here. I called the buy from here. So I was able to know who was going to buy after seeing this rocket. So moving on to the USD, you ought to look at the trend here. Now the trend currently right here as we're going bearish, that was like the minor trend, but the major trend is bullish overall. So another thing I know about trading the GBP/USD is knowing the strength of the dollar. I already knew the strength of the dollar was going to go weaker, and that was the reason why GBP/USD was going to go strong. So moving down to that minute time frame. So I already saw that price has taken out this high before the news happened. I know that price was going to go up from there. How do I know that? Because first of all, we have this nice and smooth market breaker from this high after taking out this high. Though we have another demand coming from here, you can also be looking at to buy here or at this area zone. So now we saw price taking out this guy, close above this guy. Notice guys, the red candle did not close below this low candle right here. If it has closed below this low candle, then we would have probably be figuring out price is going to buy from here, or probably price will change the trend. But you guys get the trade. There are two things happening here. Price closed above here, did not close below this low candle. Now after price did that, price will go up, take out this high, and came back to fill this imbalance. And that was how I was so sure about this buy. It's pretty easy guys. If you want to get the full understanding of what I'm teaching, you can check my previous video. I've talked about imbalance, talked about supply and demand, talk about resistance, top down, and this all of that. You can go learn from there. So this is an imbalance coming from here. Price came to this level and buy smoothly. This was how easy we were able to smash the NFP. I hope this video meets you guys well, and I believe this video will probably touch you on some new model entry on GBP/USD. So that'll be all for now guys. I hope you learn from this and you get better on your trading analysis. So do what to subscribe, like, share, comment, and of course if you are looking to join our Telegram channel, you can go search for Snapbackends on the Telegram and join our Telegram channel, so you can also take our signals. We drop signals there, market breakdown, just go and watch and join and all of that. So that'll be all for now guys. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Peace out.